I am so excited to share with you our brand new listing in the place at Corkscrew. This is a Pulte Empire. It is an amazing 2-story large floor plan, perfect for people who need lots of space, and I can't wait to share it with you. You will notice that this 2-story floor plan does have 3 garage stalls, but it is a split garage floor plan. All right, welcome to the Empire. How stunning is that staircase right when you walk in the front door? We've got 22-foot tall entryway here. Formal dining room right off to the side. There are so many windows in this floor plan. A lot of extra trim work has been done throughout. And everywhere that extra can lights could be installed on the first floor were chosen as an upgrade when this home was built. You can see there's some trim work also coming in the entrance. So this floor plan has a split garage design. So this door right here heads out to the single stall. There is also a double stall. Continuing in to the rest of the first floor, which really lives like a ranch. We've got the dedicated den with the tray ceiling, again with the extra can lighting, and 7 1/4 crown was installed throughout this main level after closing, along with a built-in desk here. Really nice sized den. And these floor plan offers a half bath that you can tuck in right there underneath the staircase. All right, and continuing to walk into this home, you can see we have our main open living space, but first I want to show you this little wing over here. So we do have a full-size bathroom with a walk-in shower, huge linen closet, and a really big vanity. So big closet there. And right outside, you guys know I love my closets. There is an extra closet right here in the hallway, which I love. Sports gear and winter coats in case you go visit up north. And then there is actually a full bedroom on this side of the house as well. So currently kind of set up as guest space. There is a walk-in closet to this bedroom. Yeah, being used as storage. And there is the ability, because this is split from the rest of the house, you could cover this if you wanted to, add some kind of door, but it really doesn't need it, again, over on that side of the house. And now let's explore the main living area. So large open space here between the family room and the kitchen. Again, you can see the crown molding carried throughout. I love the triple window. It lets in so much light. And we've got a built-in wall there with a TV and the fireplace. And then it opens back into the gourmet kitchen. Let me tell you, got a little eat-in area here. Look how much storage. Cabinets go all the way up to the ceiling. Double oven. And check out the amazing refrigerator. So we've got built-in kitchen, upgraded KitchenAid appliances, super unique rounded island, all looking out over the amazing pool and backyard space. And let's check this built-in out again with the fireplace running. This is the only floor plan offered by Pulte in the place at Corkscrew that does allow you to put in the zero corner slider. I'm sure you're getting a little peek at the pool and the kitchen. Don't worry, we'll come back to that. First, let's check out the primary suite. So large master bedroom here. Again, there's some trim work there with a feature wall, crown molding, tray ceiling carried through, and you can see the extra can lights. Another triple window letting in so much light. This house is very light and bright, and one of my favorite things about it is all of the closets, and we're just getting started. So this is the sitting area off of the primary bedroom, currently being used as an office / Peloton station. Very versatile space, lots of room in here. There are tons of options on what you can do. And let's head on into the bathroom. So separated sinks and vanities. And again, the giant Pulte walk-in shower, tiled all the way up to the ceiling. There is a large linen closet in here, along with a dedicated water closet. And it opens right into the huge walk-in closet. There is a lot of space in here. Duncan, say hi to everyone. There's Duncan. He's having a tough day here in Southwest Florida. So this closet, I just keep turning around. There is a lot of space. And this closet enters right in to the laundry room. So a dedicated laundry room, which I love. Just gives you a little more space if it's not the pass-through from the garage, which a lot of our floor plans have. Extra cabinets and storage added, along with an extra vanity here and a sink. And we pop right out the other side. I'm sure you're not sure where we are, but if we take a left, there's the zero corner slider in the kitchen. So now we're in the back entrance and the two-car garage entrance here, with a drop zone added. We've got the downstairs air conditioning unit right here. And check this out. I know we haven't even seen the full kitchen yet, but we have back here an additional storage closet. I love it. So much space in there. Got another room here to set up an entertainment area or whatever you so desire. Currently holding the wine fridge. So we've made one big circle. There's the front door. And now we're gonna come in and take a closer look at this kitchen. Okay. Double oven. So many cabinets. Yes, you need to have a step stool or a ladder handy for sure to be able to store stuff in these cabinets here. White subway tile, white cabinets throughout, upgraded to the diamond line. And we've got a large pantry right here. Another great closet space. I'm so excited to show you the outdoor living space of this Empire floor plan here at Pulte. Nesting sliders for the zero corner that open up. It is awesome. In the wintertime, you can have these doors open, bring the outside in. Lots of ways you could configure the seating area out here. custom built outdoor kitchen with a highly upgraded outdoor rated grill, refrigerator, hood, beautiful granite in the back. We've got a sink out here, and the best feature of all, that's right folks, your very own ice maker. Check it out. If you've watched our videos, you know this is our favorite. Crystal clear ice. Oh yeah, so awesome to have that available. All right, this TV is actually on an arm, so you can pull it out and you can swing it over, so you can watch it while you're in your hot tub or your pool, or you can watch it while you're sitting at the bar, or you can watch it while you're sitting in your outdoor furniture. So many options. And again, outside, extra can lights that I forgot to turn on, but they're up there, you can see them. And custom built pool added after closing with new landscaping. Oh look, he's moved from one spot to another. So custom saltwater heated pool with an oversized hot tub. This is a sunken hot tub. It is 8 feet and it is amazing. You can fit many adults in there comfortably without having to play footsie and knock knees. We've got some bubblers, a sun shelf, and there's a lot of options for space out here. There's so much that you could do if you wanted to add a dining table. Clusia hedges on the sides, which are great living hedges here in Florida, to give a little privacy. Don't mind the sound of the landscapers. That's right, when you live in the place at Corkscrew, your landscaping is included. So what do you think so far? Folks, we're just getting started. That is the first level of the Empire floor plan here with Pulte. We still have the whole second floor to go. This is an awesome floor plan because the first floor truly lives like a ranch. If you can handle just having 2 bedrooms, your master and a secondary bedroom, but wait till you see upstairs. When you get to the top of this lovely staircase, there's a large loft, again with the extra can lights and the 7 1/4 crown molding throughout this room. It's a really, really large space that affords all kinds of options up here. So the second story of this home actually has 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. So let's come over here to this side and check out bedroom number 3. So this bedroom here has its own walk-in closet. Lots of space there. And then you see right across the hall. Oh, wait, what's this? Oh yeah. A huge double closet. Let's continue. And we've got the bedroom 4 right here with its own walk-in closet. All right, and in between these 2 bedrooms here upstairs is a Jack and Jill. So they each have their own sink and vanity area. And then there is a shared toilet, tub shower combo. And a good sized linen closet, of course. And here is the second So this side actually is inside of this bedroom here on the north side of the house. The other entrance comes into the loft area. All right, heading over here to the other side of the upstairs, we have the second floor air conditioning unit, and kind of nice. There's a little extra storage in there. You don't want to store too much because your AC guys need to be able to access. But so then this is the fifth bedroom in this home. Has a really cool curved wall because of that grand staircase when you come in. So pretty good sized bedroom. So biggest bedroom. This one just is a regular closet, a regular bedroom closet. The other two bedrooms have those full-size walk-ins. This bedroom also has an ensuite bathroom. So another full bathroom here with a tub shower combo. All right, we're not done yet, folks. Heading down into the last section of this home. Oh yeah, big closet to the right. And a big double closet here to the left. So much storage space in this house. It is amazing. And then last, certainly not least, the media room. This is a huge space that has lots of options for what you might like to do with it. Or you can just set up your Sonos speakers there with your TV and your reclining sofa and watch movies. Again, in this room, the extra can lights have been added. So what'd you think? Did you love the Empire? Is this a house that piques your interest? If so, and you have any questions or would like to talk to us about it, please give us a call at 239-776-6872, or you can put your questions in the comment box below. You can schedule time using the Calendly link, or you can find us on any of our social media channels. We would love to answer any questions you might have. And if you did like it and you want to see more of this amazing community, check out this video showcasing the place at Corkscrew.